got a 2024 Coachmen Catalina. This is the Legacy Edition. It's the model number 283 FEDS. This is the front living room, rear bedroom, dual slide in that front living room. Comes with an automatic leveling system, BAL, auto level, push a button, watch it level itself. Battery cut off. It's got a solar panel already installed. Solar panel will keep the battery charged, add more batteries, do more work. It's a rack and pinion slide system. It's not the teeth in here called the Swintex system or a cable pulley system. This is the heavy duty rack and pinion slide like has worked for the last 100 years in the RV business. Obviously I'm just joking, but a long time. It's a 50 amp dual air. Got a traditional gas water heater. It's a fully enclosed belly. It's winter ready. The furnace that keeps you warm, keeps the belly warm, keeps the pipes warm, anything wet stays warm through radiant heating. Got a gear rack on the back, pre-installed. It's one of the great things about this model is that it comes with a ton of factory installed equipment. Got the pass-through in the rear. There's your 50 amp cord, your solar 30 amp controller. Oh yeah, it's also got the backup camera ready. We can put side cameras as well, maybe even a front door camera. Have a big camera system all around. There you go for the leveling system. Got multiple points of level, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, as well as the tongue jack. So it's a 5-point leveling system. We got the MOR-RYDE step above, stable entry step, and the new MOR-RYDE safety rail combined together to make the stablest entry platform in an RV. We've got a dual patio awning, about 12 foot here and 12 foot here. So together we've got a gigantic patio awning space, dual electric patio awnings. Let's have a look inside. What else can we see out here? Solar on board, Wi-Fi LTE prepped, so it's ready for you to install a little bit of equipment, and you'll have a Wi-Fi system inside using a cellular SIM card. What stands out to me immediately is how much space I've got in the living room. I've got theater chairs that sit across from the TV and electric furnace. I've got a fold-out sofa, the sofa bed, and a little dinette bed. Ton of space. It's really good looking. I love that window in the front. It's an automotive glass window. Like I said, the electric fireplace furnace here. TV installs there. A ton of counter space. So I've got my island, I've got my beside the stove area, and then like a coffee bar, just extra room over here, do whatever I want with. It's a 12-volt refrigerator. It's going to be a lot deeper than a standard refrigerator, the old gas electric models. All GE appliances, everything. Refrigerator, GE, GE profile oven and stove, GE microwave. Very nice. All vinyl floors, kind of matching on the walls as well. It's a really good look in here. Like I said, solar on board with the solar controller, all pre-installed. Dual AC, one here in the living room, one back in the bedroom. Central located for the controls. Water heater, water pump, awnings, slide rooms. Everything can be connected to your phone with Bluetooth. Got a ton of leg space on the stool. Big shower. Storage in the bathroom. We've got the medicine cabinet under the sink. Good sized sink. Place for towels to hang. Lots of extra space to add more on the walls. So we've got a queen bed in this one. We can expand it out to a king. Of course, you've got the closet slot, the standing closets on each side. So just keep that in mind if you do want to expand it. We've got a 110 volt and a USB port for both sides. So if we've got CPAPs or two CPAPs, we've got plenty of room to plug them in. Space to have our phones beside us, charging at night. Under the bed, we've got some more storage. Plenty of walk-around space around the bed. We're not going to be crawling over each other. Not going to have one person that has to scoot out of bed. We can swing our legs out and get to the bathroom at night. Dedicated air conditioner, so it'll be cold as a meat locker here in the bedroom. So we've got a huge closet. And, you know, let your imagination run wild. Anything you want to do with the closet. It is prepped for a washer dryer. This is a legacy travel trailer, you know, wood construction, steel on the outside, and it's washer dryer ready. Usually if it was washer dryer ready in a trailer, it would be for a combo unit, the one where you wash and dry in the same chamber. It takes 3 dry cycles to get everything dry. It's really aggravating. This is ready for a stacked washer dryer. So this would be great for full timing in, or long timing if we're building a house, or, you know, just staying somewhere for a semi-permanent vacation. Be a great cabin in the woods. It's got a lot of space. It's got a 1-year warranty from Coachmen. Real good looking trailer. Give me a call anytime. Erik DESHANE at Camperland, 918-504-7727. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.